Welcome students. Today we are doing exercise 13.7. This is basically covering how to find out the volume of a cone. Okay, let us start the exercise. Now see what is the first question. You can see here on the screen that the first question is find the volume of a right circular cone with radius 6 cm and height is 7 cm. Right? Now you have to find out the volume. Now what is the volume of a right circular cone? The volume of a right circular cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, let us start the solution. Now here in a cone, what is given to us? They have given us the radius and the height. You can see in the figure also. R is your 6 centimeter and h is your 7 centimeter. You can see both the units are same, so there is no conversion required here. Okay, so you have to find out the volume of the cone. So straight away we will write down volume of the cone. Now here you have to write down the formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. Right? Now replace the value here. 1 by 3 pi will be 22 by 7, r is your 6, so 6 square, h is your 7, and all of you know volume, the unit of the volume is cube, so this would be centimeter cube. So 1 by 3, 22 by 7, 6 into 6 into 7 centimeter cube. Now we have to just simplify it. 7 will cancel with this 7, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, right? Now you have to multiply. 22 multiplied by 2 is 44 and 6 sevens are 42. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. 44 multiplied by 42. 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, 16 and 1 7 17. This is 18484. 1848 centimeter cube. This is the answer. Okay, these questions are very simple. The thing is you have to remember, you have to learn all these formulas, because if you know the formula only then you can apply that formula in the question. Right? Now so the second part you can do yourself, because it is also similar to that. Few question I will leave for you that you can do yourself, so that you will also have a practice of such kind of questions. Right? Now come to question number 2. Find the capacity in liter of conical vessel. Means you have to find out the capacity in terms of liter. Right? So let us see what it is given to us. Radius is this and slant height is 25 centimeters. So first of all we will write down what is given to us in a cone. R is given to us 7 centimeter and L is given to us 25 centimeter. Right? You know this L is your slant height. This is representing by this line, and R is your 7 centimeter. Right? Now you have to find out the height, because if you find out the height only then you can find out the volume, that is to be known as the capacity of the cone. Okay. Now what is the formula for finding the height? All of you know these some formulas are like this. H is square of L square minus R square. Right? Now put these values here in this formula. L square is your 24, 5 square minus 7 square, and I will straight away write down here centimeter, because if I will write down centimeter square here, and if I will take the square root of that centimeter square, it will come out centimeter. So you can straight away write down here. Right? Now 25 square is 625, 7 square is 7 sevens are 49 centimeter. Now this would be, you can subtract them. 15 में से you can subtract 9 6, 11 में से 4 गया आपका, 6 and 1 7, and this is 5. 576 everybody knows this is the square of 24, so 24 square. Now this would be equal to 24 centimeter. Now here you get the value of H. Right? Now you have to find out the capacity, means you have to find out first of all the volume of the cone. Now what is the formula for volume of a cone? Volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now replace the value here. 1 by 3 pi is your 22/7 and r is your 7 centimeter. So I will write it down 2 times here, and h is your 24, and this would be in centimeter cube. 7 will cancel with this 7, 3 ones are 3 8s are 24. 22 into 56 centimeter cube. Now you can multiply 56 by 22. All this rough work you will do on the right side. You have to make a margin over here and you have to do the rough work over here. But I am doing here. You can do at a proper place. 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10 or 1 11. This is 2 1 1. This is 2 3 2 1. So answer is your 1 2 3 2 centimeter cube. But they want the answer in liter form. You know the relation of centimeter cube with the liter, because 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. Okay, so if you have to convert this centimeter cube into liter, so you have to multiply 1 centimeter cube value. So 1 centimeter cube value would be 1 upon 1000 liter. So multiply this by 1 upon 1000 and you will get the answer. Now here I will multiply this 1232 by 1 upon 1000 liter, right? So the answer would be 1.32 liter. As I have told you in my previous videos also, whenever we have 10, 100, 1000 means 10 raised to some power in the denominator, there is no need to divide the numbers. You can simply replace the number in decimal form. This is the easy way of simplifying the numbers, right? Now we have done the first question. Now the second question is also similar to that. You can do it. This second part, this part you will do yourself. I am leaving this second part for you, because unless you will do the question yourself, you will not get the confidence, right? So try these questions yourself. Now the next question is, the height of a cone is this and the volume is this, right? In the first two questions, they have given us only the R, H or L, and you have to find out the volume. Now they have given us the volume and they have given us the height, and you have to find out the radius of the base. Means R you have to find out. So H they have given us 15 centimeter and the volume they have given us, right? So H is your 15 centimeter and volume of the cone is 1570 centimeter cube, right? And the value of pi you have to take as 3.14. Okay, now we have to use this concept of volume of a cone. First of all, we will write down the formula of volume of the cone. Volume of the cone, the value of that is 1570 centimeter cube. Formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h equal to 1570 centimeter cube. Now put the value here. H is given to us here. So 1 by 3. In place of pi we have to take 3.14. This is 3. I hope it is clear to you now. Now this is r square and h is your 15 centimeter. And this is 1570 centimeter cube, right? So I will take r square here and rest of the part I will take here. And all of you know how you can take this value. 3 which is dividing here, it will come here in the multiplication form, and rest of the number will come in the denominator, right? Now here it is centimeter cube. 1 centimeter will cancel with 1 centimeter. 2 is left here, right? Now 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, and this is 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. Now you can remove this decimal and 100 will come in the numerator. 314 will cancel with 314. So nothing is left here, only 100 centimeter square is left, right? So R would be square root of 100 centimeter square. This would be 10 centimeter. All of you know 100 is a square of 10, right? So r is your 10 centimeter. This you have to find out. Now you can see these questions are very simple, only the thing is the calculation part. You have to do a lot of question in practice so that you can do the calculation easily in the exam also. I hope you enjoy my this video, and if you like my this video, then share this video with your friend so that they can also get the benefit of these videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.